not there, no ever. At last, African restaurant. At last, thank you. I never chop pepper and salt since I just chop cream. They put cream for inside plates. They give me chop. They slice ugu, rubber and cream. Put milk inside. Pepper not there, salt not there, no ever. At last, African restaurant. Guys, they be bring cutlery, but we say chop pando. But we can't make requests. Or to follow up. Who they? Now you they shout to your outside. Or not be you they buy. They don't bring the come now, you they press your phone.
I like that thing I said.
Yo!
PHYNA the winner.
PHYNA the winner, of course.
What is dragging you with TV?
Exactly, yeah? Yeah?
Oh my god, guys. Bella said PHYNA the winner. Like, nobody is dragging it with you, baby. Hey, hello guys, how you all doing? It's Sunday. Happy Sunday, guys. Happy Sunday. Happy last Sunday of the month. I hope you guys are chilling. Hope you guys are being thankful. Hope you guys are staying safe. Yes, guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Fidel here, and it's here where I give you all the latest update info, gist, videos, clips about all your favorite baby Naija faves and their life after Big Brother show. Stay tuned for more updates and gist.
Like, bro, now to big sheggz, like big sheggz, come on. Now I'm to ultimate light skin, what's up? Like,
guys, all season 7 ships in the house are sailing big time. PHYNA called groovy ultimate light skin. Anyway, that was Bella and sheggz with PHYNA and groovy, like a kind of a double date or the Fantastic Four. And see Eloswag and Chomzy like chilling, vibing together. These two people, I don't know, they're just secretive about this their ship. We don't know if they are shipping or if we should ship with them or not. And this is PHYNA, groovy, Eloswag and Chomzy. For those saying that Chomzy and PHYNA are not in good terms, no. As you can see, PHYNA is entering her life and she cannot enter her life if they are not in good terms. So I hope all the draggers, trolls will stop this their imaginary enmity, imaginary fights, assuming stuff, making analysis and jumping into conclusion about the life of this ex-BB Naija faves, because I know that there was some rift in the house between Chomzy and PHYNA, but I think they are cool now. Everything is bygone be bygone, and I'm just praying that bygone will be bygone too between Amaka and PHYNA, because I loved their friendship. These two people are our CNN in the second week on the house. I don't know where it went wrong, but we know what happened. But I just hope that what happens in Biggie's house should stay in Biggie's house. I hope they will come back together as real cool bestie good friends, because the friendship I'm seeing right now the friendship I didn't even expect will happen. Just like Bella and PHYNA, they are really cool, good. I love the sisterhood between them. Anyway, moving past the prayer, and what do you think? Do you want Amaka and PHYNA to come back together? Please let me know your sincere opinion and thoughts and your wish down the comment section between the bestie and the friendship between Amaka and PHYNA. If you're an Amazon or you're a Phi Nation, what do you think about your baby girls and your fave? Let's talk personally down the comment section.
you know the vibe. No, Brayann not the like person life. No go swear for me. No, Brayann not like a show for life. Alright guys, so we outside. Ultimate light skin, yo. Ultimate light skin. We outside. You know what?
Don't forget my name.
Oh sorry, Pink Panther.
Don't forget that. It's groovy for today.
Okay, oh, he's groovy for today. fine, you're fine. When you're fine, you're fine.
You're fine, you're fine. When you're big, you're big.
When you're big, you're big, big.
In that clip you just watched right now, you can clearly hear PHYNA when PHYNA was answering Bella, telling her that no, that Brayann doesn't like someone's life, to enter someone's life, and that was because Bella told PHYNA to show Brayann, and she was like, no, he doesn't like to enter someone's life, make he no go swear for me. Anyway, people just carried the clip and was circulating, oh, the winner where they make mad though, Brayann no they enter her life, oh, but Brayann they cruise, they enter life, they vibe with our queen, beauty, this, that, and that Brayann knows where the energy is right. Brayann is emotionally intelligent, he knows where the energy and the aura is right, and that is the life of beauty Tikora, and they are trending it. It's really going and going. Anyway, I don't know what you feel about this, but I am I've had it up to here with the negativity, with the truth. Like, these people can remain cool and be friends. Why the fight? Like, why the fight? Oh my god, I'm just thankful that BBN is not like government, is not world politics, because oh my god, people will just kill each other for nothing. Anyway, that's the end of the video. I don't know what you think and feel about this, but let me know your opinion about all this. If you're an Amazon or you're a Nation, do you want your baby girls, your queens, your faves to come back together as they were in week 1, week 2, as besties, the CNN of the show? Like, these people gave me content. I must tell you, I love their combination, but I don't know why they have not really settled publicly. Maybe they are cool, but we know that there is a little bit of awkwardness or so down there. Anyway, let me know. And also, Brayann not entering people's life and entering beauty Tikora, what do you think? Me personally, I feel like because beauty really campaigned for Brayann with her full chest and everything she got left in her after she got disqualified, she campaigned for Brayann full time. She wasn't like, oh, that anybody can win the show, the best person can win the show, the best player, the best candidate can win the show. No, she did not leave it in the hands of God. She was choosing Brayann, asking B Navies to vote for Brayann. I think that is why Beauty and Brayann are that close. Anyway, that is my personal opinion, and I would love to hear yours in the comment section. Let's talk one-on-one over there. Please kindly subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome to this lovely family. I love you guys. God bless you for always coming back to watch my videos. Bye. See you in my next video.